PPI inflation number came in rather flat. Stock market liked it. I'm Rich Posson for Critical Point, October 11. It's 1:06 p.m. Eastern Time. Midday update. We got the PPI, also known as the Producer Price Index, also known as the Wholesale Prices or Price Index, came in flat. The market had been expecting it actually be showing some strength. And so this kind of countered some of the negativity within the CPI report earlier this week. In addition, those who had been focusing on some of the negative side of that report have flipped to just focusing on the annualized rate of 2.4% that shows we're still in a downtrend of inflation and the lowest rate since 2021. Put it all together, they have reason to be optimistic. They have reason to basically forget about inflation, okay? Pretty much won the war. This morning, John authors his email report that he puts out every day in the morning from Bloomberg. Pretty much nailed it today. He's pretty much saying, yeah, the markets are probably not going to care much about inflation at this point, all right? So we're back to focusing on interest rates, which seem to be a little sluggish today, not doing much. Same for the dollar, same for crude oil. Focusing on earnings that I think are okay so far, focusing on the fact the economy is doing well to very well. And in the stock market, we are seeing more demand for on the equal weighted index of the S&P 500, meaning they're shopping for the 493 stocks, okay, instead of the Mag 7. NVIDIA within the Mag 7, however, is showing some nice strength. This spilled over in the NASDAQ, so that the NASDAQ's dragging its feet because of, say, the Mag 7. The S&P 500 is a bit stronger. Dow Jones hanging in there fairly well. I think everything looks good. No change to the morning brief update this morning. No change to the weekly update made yesterday. And I got to tell you, I think that the model just nailed this for weeks now on these level 4 swings. Whether we're having an up day, down day, has done very, very well with all this excitement and problems and complications. Done very, very well for these larger intermediate trends and the level 3 trends. So, hey, let's move forward. No change to our outlook over the next 30, 60 days, as well as the long-term outlook. And I think the week was very good, inflation-wise data. All right, now just keep an eye on the Middle East, keep an eye on the dollar, interest rates, earnings, economy. Have a great weekend. Past results not necessarily indicative future results. If you're not a subscriber, get on board. criticalpoint.podbean.com. That's BEAN. And then you can also go to criticalpointpod.com. Thank you.